So guys, this is the second episode. This is third season. What is the truth? And we are going forward basically in understanding what is yoga. Yoga is, if you actually go for the meaning, it's just actually the sun. It's actually the addition. It's actually, I mean, this actually what is they call it, like enlightenment only, in a way, because it's the same thing. So the yoga is basically, this is the perfect word to describe it overall, or in terms of the science, so that it can be taught. So, and then they divide it into like various forms of yoga. This is like karma yoga, which is the yoga which is done through action, right? Which Sri Krishna taught, or which he emphasized actually. Then there are like different forms of yoga which like focused more specifically on body systems and your perception. Overall, this is like that's basically the word I'm using. I mean, don't go for like, yeah, you have to follow the basic hierarchy. This is the this is how we are talking. We are not talking in any particular like Hindi literature we are referencing, right? Because we have to view everything on a holistic way now. It was written at that time. It is like different now, right? Okay, so where did we? The first lesson what we learn. So what we do is we start focusing. Now this focus can be, I can tell you like it has infinite ways. How? Because it can be anything. It can be, that's why I told you like karma yoga, right? So it can be my focus on a particular activity. What do you mean by activity? By activity I mean it's like if I just peel the onions, it's like that motion, right? And I'm getting it like so focused on like where my knife is going, or where the walking, right? So you're so focused on where your foot right, landing and how your formation of your like feet is. Most of us are not even aware of our walking, so unconscious. So you focus. If you do it by using the focus, so that is itself like again the same, okay? Or it can be some kind of like mantra, and then you repeat it because then you realize where your focus is blocking, right? So it can be any activity which is done in a continuous manner. So that's why any path, if you continuously walk on it, any path, if you continuously walk on it, that is it, okay? What stops you from walking the path? So basically, a nice person keep wanting to be nice, but some people don't let them to be nice. So it can also be like that. You understand? It can be as abstract as that. And I have given you